everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your photos on your Xiaomi phone. So you can see I have everything in a private album right here. And it's not on here under albums anywhere. So it's kind of secure. So I want to swipe down from the top right, go to settings, and go to fingerprint, face data, and screen lock. And then go to privacy protection. So you can just search for this if you can't find it under like fingerprint or something. Privacy protection password. And then you're going to have to come up with some sort of pattern pin. Now once you add a pattern pin on here, we can go to photos. And you can swipe on down under albums. And you can see all your hidden folders now. Or your hidden photos. So just hold down on a photo. Go to add to album and go to private album right here now. Add it to the private album. Switch on over to albums on the bottom. Swipe on down from the top, go up and down, and then you should be able to swipe down. Release. Enter in your PIN. And if you don't remember your PIN, you might want to add a Xiaomi account to it so you can actually reset it. Otherwise, you're going to have to reset your entire phone in case you forget it. So here is the little video I just added there. Me doing a screen recording. And then here's all these other pictures on here. I believe we can just remove it from the private folder at any point in time too. So everything is going to be locked with a password now on here as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.